Only 5% can score 30 out of 30 on this Bible quiz. Can you? Welcome to Bible Quiz Challenge. 30 questions, 5 seconds each, 1 point per correct answer. We'll start easy, then medium, then hard. Subscribe, and let's begin. Question 1. Who built the ark? A. Moses. B. Noah. C. David. D. Abraham. B. Noah. Next question. Who was the first man? A. Adam. B. Cain. C. Abel. D. Noah. A. Adam. Next question. What is the first book of the Bible? A. Exodus. B. Matthew. C. Genesis. D. Psalms. C. Genesis. Next question. Who defeated Goliath? A. Saul. B. David. C. Samson. D. Joshua. B. David. Next question. Where was Jesus born? A. Nazareth. B. Jerusalem. C. Bethlehem. D. Galilee. C. Bethlehem. Next question. How many disciples did Jesus have? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. C. 12. Next question. Who led the Israelites out of Egypt? A. Abraham. B. Moses. C. Aaron. D. Joseph. B. Moses. Next question. What sea did Moses part? A. Dead Sea. B. Red Sea. C. Sea of Galilee. D. Mediterranean Sea. B. Red Sea. Next question. Who was swallowed by a big fish? A. Elijah. B. Jonah. C. Peter. D. Paul. B. Jonah. Next question. How many days did God take to create the world? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. B. 6. Next question. Who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams? A. Daniel. B. Joseph. C. Moses. D. Aaron. B. Joseph. Next question. Who was the mother of Jesus? A. Martha. B. Mary. C. Elizabeth. D. Sarah. B. Mary. Next question. What was Abraham's wife name? A. Rachel. B. Rebecca. C. Sarah. D. Leah. C. Sarah. Next question. Who baptized Jesus? A. Peter. B. John the Baptist. C. Paul. D. James. B. John the Baptist. Next question. Which city did Jesus grow up in? A. Bethlehem.
B. Nazareth. C. Jerusalem. D. Jericho. B. Nazareth.
Next question. Who was thrown into the lion's den? A. Jeremiah. B. Isaiah. C. Daniel. D. Ezekiel. C. Daniel. Next question. What was the name of Moses' brother? A. Jacob. B. Aaron. C. Caleb. D. Joshua. B. Aaron. Next question. Who betrayed Jesus? A. Peter. B. John. C. Judas Iscariot. D. Thomas. C. Judas Iscariot. Next question. On what day did Jesus rise from the dead? A. Same day. B. Second day. C. Third day. D. Fourth day. C. Third day. Next question. Who built the temple in Jerusalem? A. David. B. Solomon. C. Saul. D. Hezekiah. B. Solomon. Next question. What was the name of Noah's wife? A. Naamah. B. Sarah. C. Not mentioned. D. Hannah. C. Not mentioned. Next question. Who was Moses' father? A. Levi. B. Amram. C. Kohath. D. Aaron. B. Amram. Next question. Which prophet was taken to heaven in a chariot of fire? A. Elisha. B. Isaiah. C. Elijah. D. Jeremiah. C. Elijah. Next question. Who was the first king of Israel? A. David. B. Solomon. C. Saul. D. Jeremiah. C. Saul. Next question. How many books are in the Bible? A. 39. B. 66. C. 73. D. 27. B. 66. Next question. Who killed Abel? A. Seth. B. Cain. C. Adam. D. Noah. B. Cain. Next question. What was Paul's original name? A. Simon. B. Saul. C. Silas. D. Stephen. B. Saul. Next question. Who wrote most of the Psalms? A. Solomon. B. Moses. C. David. D. Asaph. C. David. Next question. What was Jesus' first miracle? A. Healing the blind. B. Feeding 5,000. C. Walking on water. D. Turning water into wine. D. Turning water into wine. Next question. Where was Jesus denied? A.
Courtyard of Caiaphas. B. Garden of Gethsemane. C. Jerusalem. D. Garden. A. Courtyard of Caiaphas.
All right. How many did you get?
Comment your score below. I want to see who got the highest. Subscribe for more Bible quizzes, and let's see if you can get 30 out of 30 next time.